What's up everyone? If you're trying to download and install Easy Anti-Cheat on Windows 11, well then you're in luck, because in this video we're going to show you exactly how to get it set up quickly. So first, simply navigate to the game's installation folder and look for Easy Anti-Cheat _ setup.exe. And if it's not there, you can then download it from the official Easy Anti-Cheat website. And from there, you can then run the setup file, select the game from the drop-down menu if needed, and click install. So the process may only take a minute or two. But once it's installed, you can then restart your PC just to be safe, then launch your game. And after this, Easy Anti-Cheat should be active and your game will run without any related issues. And that's really it. So that's all we had for this video. I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.